And here is a cute little holiday Rambler Augusta, Class C. (2011), 25 foot. Appears to be in decent shape actually. E350 engine. I'll open it on the other side. Okay, 25 foot 2011 Augusta for $41,995. E350 Ford chassis. Cockpit area. Easy to step into. Grab bars. Entering the Augusta. See, that's the problem with touring these. You put them so close together. Okay, this one has the entertainment center on the front, overhead cab area. And here is the cockpit area. The galley. It's dark in here. Three burner range, convection microwave, refrigerator, Norcold. Furnace is under there. And the corner bed. Bathroom. And there's a closet right here. And dinette only, no sofa. So this is a 25 foot 2011 Augusta for $41,995.